Hi, I'm Vandana from the Urban Mali Network. This is a climber, okay? As you all know, climbers are called climbers because they climb onto structures and they spread through the tip of their chute or the aerial chute. So now this is the chute that keeps producing new cells and it keeps moving whenever it finds some structure for it to climb onto. So we here have an alamanda climber, and you can see that we've provided a small bamboo stick for it to grow, and it's so beautifully just coiled around the stick and reached to the top. But if you have these plants, this of course is in a sapling bag, but if you have these plants growing in the ground, it's very important to give them a structure. So if you have your railing, or if you have a wall, or if you have a small trellis along the wall, a barbed wire, it's all very good structures for the climber to climb onto and start, spreading on either sides. So some of the common climbers that we see in Bangalore are the Thangburja climbers. We see bougainvillea a lot, passion fruit, even alamanda as well. So the structure for a climber is very, very important. If you have a wall that you want your climber to grow onto, it would be good at every interval to give it a small thread or some structure that it can wind on and grow, upwards. Because the entire habit or the way the climbers grow is that they're always trying to move upwards or sidewards, looking for a newer light source, looking for some more structure for it to grip onto and spread sidewards. And it's only the apical shoot that moves sidewards or upwards. If you have a climber growing in a pot, this structure, small trellis structure, is something very useful. You can make a trellis structure of your own, or you can have something made or bought from a shop. So what we can do is just put this trellis right into a sapling bag or the container that you have and let the climber just climb onto this. Very simple stuff. You can even make your own trellis by tying a few bamboo sticks together, or just tying a string onto a point where the plant can use the string as a substrate for it to climb onto. If you would like to have climbers grow in your garden, call us at 8804-820000 or visit us at urbanmali.com, where we have a lot of information to share with you on climbers and of course all things plant related. Take care.